Hello there! Sorry for not posting any videos for almost a year. I got busy with work and other stuff. Anyway, I made a game using Blender Game Engine version 0.3 or UPBGE 0.3. Yes, I know there's now UPBGE 0.36, but that was released about 3 days ago. And I started this project on UpBG 0.3 7 days ago. So I have yet to migrate my project to the new version. And unfortunately, my project file won't run without modification on UpBG 0.36. I created this game to support and promote the use of UPBG as a tool for prototyping game ideas. The game is fully functional, complete with a splash screen, menu screen, help screen, about screen, and the game itself. The game was a reimagined Atari game called Asteroid. The player is a ship that starts in the middle of the screen, just like the original game. You rack up points by shooting the asteroids, and just like the original game, hitting a big asteroid will split it into two medium-sized asteroids, and shooting it further will result in two smaller ones. The main difference, aside from the obvious better graphics, is the use of physics. The original doesn't have physics, obviously. And of course, to maintain the Blender theme, I left the default cube untouched, which you can interact with. I'd like to share you how I made the game, sort of a tutorial, but the channel doesn't have that many subscribers to make it worthwhile. So I have set tiers to test the waters and to get my silent viewers into subscribing to this channel. The tier is as follows. If the channel reaches 100 subscribers, which is not that far off, I will release the source of the light version of this game on Blender Market and Gumroad for perhaps $20. And if the channel reaches 200 subscribers, I will change the price from 20 to 15. If I reach 500, I will lower it further by $5. With 800 subscribers, I will release the pro version of the game, which I will describe further later. So with 1,000 subscribers, I will start the tutorial based on the light version. I will start posting video tutorial in bite-size content, so it's not that hard to pick up. And with 2K subscribers, I will lower the pro version of the source code. Note that I will be migrating the game from 0.3 to 0.36 of the Blender Game Engine, so I will likely release the game on both versions of the game engine. And the pro version is the enhanced version of this game with levels, so the player will level up every time they shoot up the asteroids and racking up points, and you will get random power-ups, just like your typical roguelike game. So, if you are interested, please consider liking this video and subscribing. That is all for now. Bye!